Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ang i-report ko po ay bitter gourd o mas kilalang ampalaya. Crop description: Charantia commonly known as bitter gourd is a member of family Cucumberticaea, cultivated in tropical and subtropical region. M. charantia is grown for its fruit, young shot, and edible flowers. The immature fruit are a good source of phosphorus, iron, and vitamin A and C. History origin: Originally of African and Asian origin, bitter gourd is now grown widely across India, Indonesia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Thailand, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. East-west seed has transformed to tentative semi-commercial crop into a major commercial crop in the tropical region. Production management: Land preparation: Bitter gourd grows well in any type of soil with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5. Production in the best, however, in sandy loam soil. Prepare the soil thoroughly by plowing or harrowing twice. Make furrows 3 meters apart. Planting materials and method: Bitter gourds grow well in mean air temperature of 24 to 27 Celsius and planted in a well-drained sandy loam or clay loam. Soil rich in organic matter. Optimum soil pH is 6.0 to 6.7. It is normally grown as annual crop but can perform as a perennial in areas with mild frost-free winters. Fertilizer management: Proper fertilizer management is crucial for optimal bitter gourd yield. The use of 50% poultry manure plus 50% NPK increase fruit length, diameter, weight, number of yield of bitter gourd. Pest management: Insect pest. Fruit fly is bitter gourd is most destructive insect pest. This can be prevented by bagging the fruits and using fruit fly traps and pheromone traps. Yield sanitation is also important to prevent the recurrence of the pest. Disease: Powdery mildew. This disease is favored by high humidity and tends to occur on older leaves first. Symptoms first appear as white powdery residue primarily on the upper left surface. Weeds: Effective pest management is bitter melon cultivation includes controlling pests and disease that affect its growth and yield. Here are some key steps to manage pests and weeds in bitter gourd cultivation. Ito po yung mga example ng mga pest management, insect disease. Ayan po yung tsura na picture. Water management: Effective water management is essential for the successful growth of bitter gourd or bitter melon, as it helps maintain optimal soil moisture, reduce stress on the plant, and prevent issues like root or flower drop. Here are some guidelines for water management in bitter gourd cultivation. Harvest management: Harvest management is bitter gourd in crucial to ensure high quality produce and optimal yield. Proper timing, handling, and post-harvest care can significantly improve the fruit quality and market value. Bitter gourd fruit are typically harvested when they are immature, green, and tender. Bitter gourd fruit grow quickly and often require harvesting every 2 to 3 days during peak production. Post-harvesting management storage. Bitter gourd is at in ideal temperature range of 10 to 12 Celsius or 50 to 54 Fahrenheit. Lower temperature may cause chilling injury, leading to pitting and reduced quality, while higher temperature accelerate ripening and spoilage. Transport. Use well ventilated crates, basket, or carton lined with soft materials such as newspaper or perforated plastic to protect the fruit from bruising. By product, Pakistan, Philippines, Panama, and Nepal also use this bitter vegetable for culinary purposes. In addition to India, a large number of value-added products can be prepared from bitter gourd like bitter gourd juice, pickle, dried drinks, and chips. Ito po yung mga example ng mga produkto po ng bitter gourd. Other fun facts. Control blood sugar. Bitter gourd is the best known for its ability to control and lower blood sugar levels. Help fight to cancer. Nakakatulong daw po ito sa paglaban sa cancer. Scientists have found a good number of cancer-fighting chemicals in the bitter melon. Lower chance of microbial infection keeps metabolic disorders at bay. Thank you po.